Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in the starting total, usually 501. Choose who throws first. Once done, record the starting score at the top of your sheet. You throw 3 darts per visit, tally the points immediately after each visit so you never lose track. Make sure to announce the score out loud as you mark it. That prevents disputes and keeps both players aligned. Now take the first throw and mentally subtract the total from the starting number. You add the 3-dart total and subtract it from the running score. Write the new remainder on the next line. Once you reach under 170, start planning checkouts. This is why you track remaining score every turn. Use clear marks for doubles, circle or prefix with D, so you know when a double is required. If using an app, confirm it matches your manual sheet. Make sure to communicate remaining totals to your opponent. Before their throw, you aim for a double to finish. When the winning double scores, announce the checkout and mark the game complete. Once done, verify the sequence. Review each visit line, confirm subtraction accuracy, and sign or initial the sheet if competitive. If numbers disagree, replay disputed turns by checking your visit totals and the circled doubles. This usually resolves errors. If uncertainty remains, agree to replay the last contested visit. Keeping neat, consistent marks prevents most problems and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.